Decided to get a travel trailer for you and your family to enjoy the outdoors? Well, they are the most popular RV type, so you'll find an incredible amount of choices. In terms of layouts, called floor plans, you'll discover everything from family-friendly bunkhouses to couple-focused rear bath models. Now, as far as features, they run the range from basic get-off-the-ground camping trailers all the way up to luxurious models featuring residential furniture. Let's take a look at them by size. Now, camping trailers, also called pop-ups, are great for young families and easily towable by a midsize SUV, minivan, or half-ton truck. Single-axle campers are ideal for traveling couples or young families, also towable by most midsize SUVs, minivans, or half-ton trucks. Larger travel trailers run from 15 up to 40 feet, are family-friendly bunkhouses, have slide-outs to expand the living area, and travel trailers start at $98 a month. So there you have it. However you want to enjoy the RV life, Gander RV and Outdoors has a travel trailer for you and your family.